Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to order on Cnfans in 2025. If you guys have any questions, make sure to put them down below. And if you guys want to check out the spreadsheet where we have over 4,000 items and get a shipping discount, make sure to check the link in the description. And yeah guys, now let's start. So first things first, you're gonna open up cnfans.com. You can use the sign up link in the description, which will give you a lot of benefits when it comes to shipping prices. The shipping price will be decreased and stuff like that. So yeah, now let me show you. So first things first, you're going to be on Cnfans. Now the first question comes, how do I order? So now you need items. How to get items? You can check out the spreadsheet. It's linked in the description. Over 10,000 people have seen it. It's super good. And we have over 4,000 products. And as you guys can see, we have almost 20 live viewers on it. So 20 people at the same time you're watching the video are in the spreadsheet right now. And yeah, now let me show you. So let's say it's summer now. We need some tops. Now you just go and click to any section. And here, let's say we have some t-shirt. You guys can check it out, whatever you guys like. And yeah, you can scroll, check it out. You can even zoom in so you have a better view of it. And yeah, basically, you are just going to look for something that you like. So after finding an item which you guys look for, so as an example, I'm going to take the Stasi jersey. You guys just click on the link, as you guys see on the screen right now. Then you will be redirected on this page. Here you can check out the color of the items, and yeah, let's say this one is cool. This is how it looks like. But let me show you how you guys can check out the quality check of the item. Quality check is basically said as QC, and it's basically a quality check picture of the product when it arrives at the CN warehouse. When it arrives at the CN warehouse, Cnfans takes a picture of the product and then show it to you before you buy it, so you guys can see if the quality is fire. This is as an example a quality check of a t-shirt. As you guys can see, you can inspect it. Okay, this looks good, the stitching looks good, the tags look good. And yeah, basically here you can check even if the logos are well done. And after that, you basically just click on the product that you want and also select the sizing. So I'll just go with an L. Then you press buy now. After pressing buy now, you just accept this disclaimer, and then you press I have to read, and you click again buy now. Here you can have all the payment methods. You have everything like Bankomat, MBWay, NeoSurf, EPS, Google Pay, Alipay, Skrill, basically even credit card, debit card, or Visa like that. After that, you just press pay for order. After paying for your order, it says payment complete. Then you go to the My Orders page. But before we do that, let me show you guys how to activate a coupon code. The coupon code is VOLK, as you guys can see on the screen right now. It gives you 15% off shipping. Now let me show you. You go to User Center, and here you enter bulk. And then you press exchange, and then after doing that, it will give you a 14% coupon code which you guys can redeem when you guys are shipping out your items. After ordering your items, you can check them on the orders page. As you guys see, I've ordered some ice for the next videos coming up. And then yeah, here you see all the products. First off, they're gonna be as status, as you guys see, as purchased. Then it's gonna say seller sent. That means the seller has sent it to the warehouse. And after that, basically, it's in the warehouse. And from there, you can ship it. You can check out the quality check pictures when it arrives in the warehouse, as you guys see here. And yeah, you like the tag, you don't like the tag, you can send it back if you guys don't like it. And yeah, basically this is the quality check. And after doing that, you can just head to the warehouse, select all the items that you want. I have selected some items that I want to ship out. Maybe if you have all 14 items, you need to change the page amount, and then you just press select all, submit. And here on this page, then you can check out all the items that you have if you guys want to ship them out or anything like that. You can also remove the packaging, which reduces the shipping price. And then as you guys see, you save $30 when it comes to this. And yeah, basically this is how it is. Then you just select the shipping method. I would recommend removing the packaging, and don't forget to apply the coupon codes which you guys find after redeeming the thing. And as you guys see, this is how basically you ship it. You can also add carton guard, which is like protection for the package. And yeah, after that, you just press submit. Make sure to have the shipping insurance on. For EU is free, for US is not free. And yeah, you just press submit, and then you just pay for your package, and you can track it at the parcels page, as you guys can see on the screen right now. And yeah, this is the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And yeah guys, peace out and keep rocking those kicks.